Talking about this iPhone Ultra again. Now we got all types of people guessing how you might make an iPhone Ultra, what an iPhone Ultra might look like. And so now we have some concepts emerging, not just Willie Doo's own concepts, and kind of taking inspiration a little bit from the Ultra Watch, which is the current Ultra product. Mm-hmm. What I like about this concept, and what I like about the Ultra Watch in general, is the titanium aspects.
Yeah.
Always been a titanium guy. When it comes to titanium, you got the lightweight, you got the durability, and you get to say titanium.
Great name.
Get to say aerospace grade, because that's what I need in my pocket, because just in case I have to go to space real quick. Apple reportedly considering releasing the new top-of-the-line iPhone alongside future Pro and Pro Max models. See, I told you, you don't know necessarily.
Okay, so it's not replacing it.
Say you don't know necessarily. You just say, well, you came with the titles. You don't know necessarily. I was listening to a song in the car. It was an old song. There's a guy. He said, I'm the type of guy, I sing like a girl and I sing like a frog. You understand? And in this song, he goes on to change his singing voice, and this is from the 1950s or something, to first a woman, no auto-tune, and then to a frog. And one designer has taken upon himself to envision what such a device could potentially look like. German industrial designer Jonas Dernert came up with this impressive-looking concept, and this is, you know what, Will? Hang on a minute. You hang on there.
Look at that.
Because I'm kind of into, you see how he put the texture on the little hold switch there? The texture there is reminiscent of another brand who's putting out some things. Of course, the alert slider from OnePlus, but also the watch itself has some of those type of textures, those kind of like little, what would you call a texture like that, Will? Careful.
It's like a weave pattern.
Okay, that's fine.
For maximum grip.
Well, listen, I guess what I was thinking of was the crown on the Ultra Watch, which sort of has a similar knurling to it, but it actually is a little different on this guy's render of what an Ultra phone might look like. You can also see the way that the cameras are embedded in there seems to be a little bit different, maybe a slight ramp to it. And the buttons on the side also reminiscent of the Ultra Watch with ramps going everywhere.
Yeah.
Ramping up. Although on the Ultra Watch, it's less of a ramp other than...
It's like an extrusion.
Easy. Listen to the terminology just flying around on a Tuesday.
Yeah. I learned that through 3D modeling. Just saying.
Are you... What have you been doing lately? What's going on? You got a spare time for 3D modeling?
Well, back in the day.
Oh, we're going back.
Yeah.
Other aspects of the Ultra design language have been adopted for this concept include ruggedized ring/silent switch, programmable action button, just like the watch on the lower left side, and a USB-C port located on the bottom with international orange accents. And then, of course, you've got expanded speaker grills. It even looks a little chubbier, which could be good for an Ultra model because you might want to have some extra battery life since you are now Ultra. Shout out for the concept. Am I right?
It looks great.
It's a good-looking concept. I might hire this man. Not me. I'm saying if I'm Tim.
Yeah. Good on him.